My name is Marti and I'm a chiropractor. Today we're checking this little boy's neck and spine because he's taken a fall down the stairs on the weekend. As you can see, he's got a bit of a bump over here and we're checking that out today. So we're just going to have a feel of his neck. We call this palpating, and what we're looking for are any concerns that we can improve the functioning of his little spine. So having a feel through the spine and seeing if there's any obstructions that we call subluxations that are restricting his normal movement and normal function. So we're just going to lay him down now, and I'll try and lay him down. We use this little instrument, it's called an activator, to find these concerns and then to deliver a quick and enjoyable gentle thrust. This takes pressure off his nervous system and helps his body to move more freely. We're checking his pelvis also, because at this stage of development, when he's crawling a lot, there's a lot of potential for his pelvis to become twisted. So, as chiropractors have spent many years studying the areas of the spine, we're experts in identifying and removing these problems that we call subluxations. As you can see, he's very interested in what's happening, and quite an enjoyable experience for both himself, and the end result is a happier, healthier child.